Hi, I'm going to be talking to you today about the difference between respiration and fermentation. So, respiration is the transfer of electrons from an organic molecule, usually glucose, to an electron transport chain, and that chain then takes them to a terminal electron receptor. That is an inorganic molecule, it's usually oxygen. So, what happens is glucose has these bonds of carbon and hydrogen, and when the bonds are broken, then those electrons get taken and used to form ATP, which is the main source of energy for all these cells. The breakdown of glucose releases carbon dioxide. That's why we breathe out carbon dioxide. And finally, in respiration, the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration is that aerobic is going to be using oxygen as the terminal electron receptor, and anaerobic respiration is going to be using an inorganic molecule that is not oxygen. And then you have fermentation, and that's kind of the last choice for cells because you can't get as much ATP. It does oxidize glucose, but only partially. So what happens is it moves the electrons from one organic molecule, the glucose, to a different organic molecule instead of an inorganic molecule like respiration. The cells break down the glucose through glycolysis, and they use pyruvates as terminal electron receptors. And these are organic molecules instead of inorganic molecules. And that releases either lactic acid or carbon dioxide or ethanol. And those are going to be what we commonly think of when we think of fermentation, like kimchi or kombucha. Those all have something that's being released that is fermenting. Okay, thank you.